Hi, Eugenia here, and welcome to my Drex product review. So what is Drex all about? Drex is actually a set of tools that will help you to drive traffic to the offers you're promoting as an affiliate marketer, or some, landing pages, websites. So basically just a set of tools that will help you drive traffic for your business. If this is something you're interested in, please continue watching. In this review, I'll show you the demonstration of the product. We'll go to the members area and see how it looks, if you like it, and I'll also show you the prices and upsells, as well as we will look for the bonuses of the vendors and my bonuses and the sales page for the product. If at any time during this review you decided that you want to purchase Drex, please go to the description below this video and use the link there to purchase the product. But before we actually go to the sales page for this product, I wanted to show you the bonuses that I put together for you, and you're going to get them if you decide to pick up Drex using the link down below this video. So there is going to be 4 bonuses from me. So bonus number 1 is going to be Ultimate Traffic Mantra. It's also going to help you to understand how to drive traffic to the offers you're promoting or just any page on the internet. Bonus number 2 is going to be Facebook Ninja. It's also going to give you some insight on how to advertise on Facebook and promote your offers there. Bonus number 3 is going to be $100 per day from your phone. So this is just a little hack showing you how people are making money online as well. And hold on. Bonus number 4 is going to be Instagram Made Simple right here. It's also just a little explanation for you on how to make Instagram work for your online business. And bonus number 5 is going to be all vendor bonuses. So the vendor is also going to be providing 5 bonuses to you. We'll go to them a little bit later. But all of these bonuses are from me, and you're going to receive them if you decide to pick up the product, like I already said, using the link below the video. So right now, actually, let's go to the sales page. This is how the sales page looks like. It says here that this is the world's first two-in-one viral app, gets you autopilot free viral traffic in 30 seconds flat. There is a sales video right here and the benefits over here as well. So just unlimited free traffic in 30 seconds, 200 plus viral traffic templates created for beginners. You have a 90-day money-back guarantee. It's also they including 250 a day case study. Basically you can upgrade with the different upsells and so on and so forth. But we're not going to go actually in details for this to the sales page. There is a lot of information right here, but you will be able to go through and read through this at your own time. If you just click to the link below this video, you're gonna get forwarded to my bonus page right here. This is the bonus page. If you click here, or if you click on one of these blue buttons, you will be forwarded to this sales page. So you will be able to read through it, and if you decided that you want to purchase the product, just click on one of these blue buttons right here. So which bonuses the vendor is going to be providing to you? So these are the bonuses that vendor is providing to you. There is going to be 5 of them. So bonus number 1 is going to be get results in the first 5 minutes with Drex. Bonus number 2, 3 ways to bank fast with Drex. Bonus number 3 is going to be customer only live call. Bonus number 4 is going to be commercial license, and bonus number 5 is how we scale Drex to 10K per month. So this is the bonuses that vendor is going to be providing to you as well if you decide to purchase the product using the link below the video. And you're actually going to get a little discount if you just, decide that you want to exit the sales page and hover over here, so you'll get a little discount here for yourself. Right now, actually, let's go to the dashboard, the members area for the product. So this is how the dashboard looks like. And as you can see, there is a lot of, tools that will provide the traffic to your specific page that you're trying to drive traffic to. There's also training here, and let's see if we click here. I believe there is for now, let's see. I believe there's only 3 training videos. Yeah, so it's a reel maker, market offers, and link cloaking. So these are the tutorials that right now are available. Maybe the vendor is gonna add some more tutorials. I'm not sure about that. So as you can see here, there is a multiple tools that you can use. Reel maker. Also you have market offers right here. This is basically JVZoo deals, Warrior Plus deals, and ClickBank deals. If you decide to do affiliate marketing, these are basically, you can get all of the links right here. Also, you have link cloaking, social accounts, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, messenger bot, email marketing, and SMS marketing right here, and support right here. So right now I'll actually put a demonstration video from the vendor for this product. It's rather lengthy, so just stick with it, but it's gonna give you like a good explanation how to use all of these tools. And then I'll come back and explain to you the pricing and upsells for this product. hopefully you liked the demonstration of the product, and you understood actually that there is multiple tools that you can use and how they're working and how you will be able to use them with Drex. Right now, let's actually go and take a look at pricing for the product and the upsells as well. So the front end version of the product is going to be $17. And this is all going to be whatever you saw in the demonstration video, that's all going to be in the front end version. Unfortunately, I believe the front end version is going to have limited, templates and traffic and usage. So there's going to be limitations over there. I'm not sure actually like what the specific amount of templates you're going to get, but you can see here upsell number 1 is going to be unlimited edition. It's going to be $39, and this one is going to include multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic, and sales, and it also comes with additional tutorials. So you can just pick up the front-end version, and if you decide that you want more templates and traffic, you can always upgrade to this unlimited edition for $39. There's also going to be a few more upsells here. Upsell number 2 is going to be done for you edition. It's going to be $297. In this upgrade, the vendors team will aim to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you and for your customers. Upsell number 3 is going to be automated edition. It's going to be $39. So with this upsell, the customers will be able to activate all the automation tools with Drex. Upsell number 4 is going to be done for you templates club for $39. You will be able to get 200 customizable video templates that you will be able to use with Drex. And the last upsell is going to be upsell number 5. It's going to be $39. The vendors will give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste, and will be able to make affiliate sales with TikTok as well. And like I already said, it does have 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide that for some reason you don't like the product, you can always get your money back. But all of these upsells are of course optional. You can just go with the front-end version and see how you like it, and after using it for some time, if you like it, you can always upgrade and to any of these upgrades. All you will have to do, if you have any questions, you can contact support from the members area we've looked before. I think this is the end of this review. It just wanted to tell you that if you decided that you like the product, don't base your buying decision much on the sales figures from the sales page, because of course we cannot prove it that they're correct and everything, and all of that stuff. But you saw the demonstration of the product and you saw the dashboard I showed you, and if you decide that these tools can be useful for your business, go for it, and I think it's a smart investment, and you will be able to get some value from them for sure. And I think they will be able to help you with your online affiliate business as well. Thank you very much for watching my review. If you decided that you like the product and you want to purchase it, please use the link below the video. If you liked my review, please give me a like. It really helps my channel. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next review.